Alright, this is the freight elevator at Mulberry Lofts in Hagerstown, Maryland. Got an old manual freight elevator that was modernized by L&L. Two-speed intergate. Yeah, I don't know what this was originally, possibly Otis, but it was modernized, unfortunately. Let's take it down. Stopped on its own. Has a basement. The main elevator doesn't serve the basement. Let's get a look at it. This has a 2,500 pound capacity. It's a very small capacity, but a decently sized freight. It's very dark in here. There's a single LED lighting this thing, and it's not great. Wooden gates. Those are the switches for the gates. For freight only. Mulberry Lofts. Action Holdings LLC. 22 North Mulberry Street. I don't know what these would be. I guess if this had door open, door closed, perhaps, or another key switch. Yeah, let's take it back down. L&L. Not sure what this used to be. Here we go. Yeah, and it does stop automatically, so that's good. Take her back up. Second floor is locked. These wooden gates are heavier than some peely doors. Okay, how should I open this? One thing I do want you to realize is that for whatever reason these don't have they don't have the up and down buttons at the end floors. Like in the basement it has down, up on 3 it has up. I found that kind of interesting. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.